Hi, I'd like to show you how you can draw with sound in Snap 5. So let's check out the sensing category. Here's the microphone block that you know, and it gives me the volume of my voice. It can also give me the frequency. So when I whistle, I'm getting the frequency. Now what I want to do is I want to draw with that frequency. So let's first check out what the range of the frequency is. So I'm just going to make the sprite think the frequency. And you can see the lowest thing that I'm whistling is about 700 hertz. So I'm going to shift this all by 700. I'm going to say the microphone frequency minus 700 hertz. Let's try it out here. It's still going up a lot, so I'm going to divide it, scale it by 20. Let's check this out again. That seems about right. Now it's roughly on a scale of 0 to 100. So what I want to do is I want to change the color of the sprite's pen. So first I'm setting the pen to something, but I actually want to set the pen hue to this color. Let's try this. Now it should change color. That seems to work. So now I want to make it draw something. So I'm going to say if the mouse is down, set the pen down. Otherwise, lift the pen up, set the hue to the frequency, and go towards the mouse pointer. Now I also want to set the pen size to something reasonable. Let's say 30. Shall we try it? Let's try this. Let's make it undraggable, and let's try it. Okay, let's stop it. So now we drew something with colors. Should we try to play it back? Let's try to play it back. The key for this is the at block. The at block gives me the hue at, for example, the mouse pointer. So in order to get the frequency at a certain mouse pointer, I just need to reverse the scaling I did. So I'm going to say I'm going to multiply it by 20. And then I'm going to add 700 to it. And this should be the frequency. Now I should be able to play this frequency. And I want to make this interactive. In the same way that when I'm pressing the mouse the mouse key, I want to play this frequency. Otherwise, I don't want to play anything. Okay? Let's do this forever. And let's check it out. I'm moving the mouse. Now I'm pressing the mouse pointer. Pretty neat, right? We can also click on anything to get the tones here. So let's stop this, go to the stage, and save it. In order to save it, we can use the pen trails block. This gives us the picture that we just drew. And in the sensing category, we can get a hold on the costumes or the backgrounds of the stage. This is a list. So we can say add the pen trails to my list of costumes. Right now the costumes are empty. Now if we click on this, we have a costume, and it's what we just drew. So now we can go back to the sprite, we can clear it, and we can record something else. Let's record something else. Okay, here's my mouse. Let's do a piano. Now we recorded the piano, let's play it back. Hey! We just drew ourselves a musical instrument. You know what? Let's also save this. Go to the stage and execute this. Now we have two backgrounds. Let's get back the first one. Here's the first one we drew. Let's see whether it still works. Go to the sprite, start the playback script, and let's try this. And it's still happy birthday. So, you've just seen how we can encode sound as colors and draw while whistling and playing it back. Neat, right?